Hey there, welcome to the channel. In this video, we'll be walking you through the basics of creating your first TikTok ads. So without further ado, let's get started. In 2020 alone, TikTok was the most downloaded app with 850 million downloads globally and currently has 1.1 billion active users worldwide, with 90% of those users using the app multiple times per day. As of January 2021, TikTok's user spending was $128 million, marking a 380% increase from January 2020, and now ranks as the second biggest app in consumer spend, surpassing YouTube, Disney Plus, and Netflix, making it one of the best platforms for high-ticket advertising. It's a monumental opportunity for people and businesses to sell their products on the platform, so let's jump right into it. Here's the TikTok ad structure in a nutshell. First things first, you need to set up your TikTok advertising account using the Doc Ads Manager, which is similar to Facebook Ad Manager. Your ad campaign is the foundation of your ad, which includes setting up your advertising objectives and formats. You then have ad groups, which include target audiences, ad placements, budget, and bidding. The ad creative consists of the text and video that will appear on the app. Finally, there is the landing page, which is the destination URL where potential customers will go to buy your products or services. Once you have your TikTok ad account up and running, you can choose from several creative formats to use for your ads. For example, Top View is a full-size video that shows up when launching the app, while in-feed ads are the most common format used by businesses to generate revenue. You can also create branded hashtag challenges or branded effects to engage with your audience. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty of how to create a TikTok ad. The first crucial step is to create an ad account, which is where all of your ads will be hosted. It's important to remember that you should have a separate ad account for each business you are advertising for. The next step is to set up a pixel code or a tracking code to track potential customers' behavior on the website, and is especially important for e-commerce businesses. To set up a pixel code for tracking on TikTok, you can choose a website pixel and create a pixel with a name. The pixel code can be installed manually or by using a third-party tool such as Shopify or Google Tag Manager. After creating a pixel code, you can set up events to track user behavior on your website, such as viewed content, adding a product to cart, placing an order, or completing a payment. You can also set up custom events with a name and value to track revenue. Now, it's time to create your ad campaign on TikTok. You can choose between simplified mode or custom mode, with custom mode recommended for more control. You need to select your advertising objective, such as reaching more people, sending traffic to a website, generating leads, or getting conversions. For most businesses, selecting conversions is recommended. You can then set up relevant events from your pixel and name your campaign something memorable. Next, you can choose to split test 2 different ads or enable campaign budget optimization, but it's recommended to optimize your budget at the ad group level for more control. You then need to name your ad group and create your audience based on interests, demographics, and other factors. You should also select the promotion type, placement, and targeting options. For example, you can choose to show your ads only on TikTok and select interests relevant to your product or service. It's worth noting that TikTok's built-in video editor can be a bit limiting, so it's recommended to use an external video editor such as InVideo to create more polished ads. And if you're looking for some inspiration, you can easily go online and look up some examples. Once the ad is approved, you can track its performance using the data provided by TikTok, including total cost, cost per click, CPM, impressions, clicks, and click-through rate. I would suggest waiting a day or two before making any changes to any ad, so TikTok can have enough time to optimize the ad in the algorithm. This tutorial offers basic knowledge to create your first TikTok ads, but for a more detailed step-by-step guide on creating effective high-ticket TikTok ads and scaling them using the latest tactics, check out the linked course in the description below. Remember to subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on for future content like this. Thanks for watching.